Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Until recently, most of the major meme coins launched on the Solana blockchain, but things have changed as Binance and BNB tokens have caught up with Solana. In this video, I will show you how to trade BNB coins on the popular trading platform Axiom. If you have traded meme coins before, you already heard of Axiom. But if not, you can use my official referral link in the description below and save 10% on all your trading fees. Axiom has finally rolled out support for BNB tokens. It was only a matter of time as GMGN and Padre were the first platforms to support BNB, and now it's here on Axiom too. Switching between Solana and BNB is simple, just click the button here to change the network. You can now also bridge your Solana to BNB directly inside Axiom without using a third-party service. Click on your wallet, select Deposit and then choose Convert. Enter the amount of Solana you want to swap for BNB and confirm, and the BNB will be sent to your wallet. The layout for BNB is the same as for Solana. On the Discover page you find the trending and deck screener tokens where you can set different filters to show only the best coins. On the Pulse page you have columns for new pairs, final stretch and migrated tokens. You can also use different filters here to weed out the scam tokens and only see the tokens that have some value. I recommend trading only on 4meme, which is BNB's equivalent of PumpFun, to reduce risks like honeypots and rug pulls. On the trackers page you get an overview of the trades of all the wallets that you follow. There's also a Twitter or X feed on the right side with the latest news updates. You can add X accounts here or remove them with a simple mouse click. I have lists with the best BNB wallets and Twitter accounts on my Discord server. Just copy the list and import it in your wallet or Twitter tracker. On the perpetual page you can buy or sell meme coins with leverage, but this is very risky, so be careful here as you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. The portfolio page shows your balance, your current and past meme coin trading history and your wallets. Below the page is the estimated token migration price for BNB coins and also for 4meme coins. Tokens that reach this market cap make it into the migrated column. On the charts page you get key insights like the amount of holders, the top traders, the dev tokens and snipers, and there's also the bubble maps feature to check if a token is bundled. The small icons on the chart represent the wallets that you follow and the dev actions. To hide these icons from the chart, click on Hide All buttons. The Instant Trade panel allows you to place rapid buys and sells and is also customizable. This panel saves you a lot of time when you want to get in or out of a trade. The Lighthouse feature below the page shows the market activity, which launchpads are driving the most volume and the amount of tokens that have been created in the recent minutes or hours. Depending on this information, you can decide on which launchpad to trade. On the rewards page you can view your cashback and rebates for trading fees and even create your own referral link to invite your friends. If they use your link to open an account and make a trade, you earn a small commission. In return, they get access to the best meme coin trading platform and earn a 10% cashback on their trading fees. So that's a win-win for everyone. Meme coin trading is evolving fast, and with Axiom's BNB integration we are on top of the playing field again. I have been trading BNB tokens on Padre and GMGN, and as much as I liked these websites, I think I will stick with Axiom because the interface is smoother and faster, and they also have more users, pushing Axiom to keep adding improvements to their website. Whether you're an experienced Solana trader or just getting started, this update opens the door to new opportunities. Thanks again for watching, and if you liked this video, share it with a friend, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.